Hello. First time actually I ever had a hiker that's like, hi. Caught me off guard, like, hi, hey, hi. I don't know what I said. I wasn't really expecting it. I was in the middle of like pictures and thinking, oh, here come some people hiking, you know. I guess it was just friendly. Seemed like they were talking to everybody. Well, should be less and less people now because I just passed one of the hiking trails. They all come up. I think I'm in second gear, third gear now. Yeah, this 1465. I mean, I don't know what that equals with the 13 as far as combinations, but seems to be really good. And plus 14 tooth on the front is going to be less strain on the chain. It's not as sharp as a bend, but the 13 tooth 65, that was way, third gear was way too high. Anyways, the 1465 seems to work good on this, and I'm kind of okay with it. And the bike will get up to 60 with that combination. Yeah, this is getting bad. Just take it easy. See, that's where a little bike, you don't have the twitchiness of the throttle. Yeah, you don't want to end up down there. There's no easy bike recovery. You know what I mean? Some spots, like that's kind of level. Still wouldn't want to end up down there and have to figure it out, but then there's sheer drops. Okay, this is a spot I don't think you could bring a bigger bike. I don't even want you going up the wall anymore. Kind of keep momentum. There we go. I think that spot would be kind of hard on a big bike. Getting the bike through. oddly. Not gonna win any acceleration contest, but once you're going, keep the speed up, it's not that bad. Low gear, first gear is pretty dang low. I think it was this trail. Well, this is the new section, but how the trail used to go. So I don't think it necessarily was this section. My brother-in-law, this was way back, we were both XR650Rs. We, first time coming down, first time on this trail really. Neither of us really had done single track out here. And we were at the top on the roads and we were like, hey, let's drop into the single track. We knew it came out down below somewhere in town. So, okay, let's take the single track. And I guess it was just luck by not picking pipeline and all that, right? Because that could have happened. Well, as we're coming down, and the old route used to be a lot more single track-ish than this. Like this, they put in with a trail dozer. So it's single track, but it's trail dozer width, unfortunately. So we were heading down. You know, we've done, there was stuff where we actually said, like early on, like, we dropped down this, we're not coming back. Neither of us felt confident that we could, right? New riders on big bikes, out exploring. So we're coming, I'm leading the way like I usually do, and I stop eventually. I'm like, shit, where is he? Where is he? So I'm on single track, so it's like, oh my god. So I was at these switchbacks, which, yeah, I don't think we have anymore, so it was the old trail. And I parked the bike because I wasn't going to turn around and then have to turn around again. So I parked the bike, basically kind of de-gear and hike back. And then where I was at was like lucky. It was like just, you know, along a flat area. So I hiked back a pretty good distance, and there he is, and the bike is down the side of one of these hills. It wasn't like this one. This one's pretty rocky, but it was down the side, and he was deadlifting it like inch by inch. And then I had finally showed up. Ah, something in my eye, dust or something. There we go. It's out, I think. So him and I had to like freaking lift that bike up, an XR650R with a 6.3 Cherbus tank, and get it back on the trail. Oh, that was a lot of hard work. And I guess what happened was he hit a rock or something, and it kind of tossed him off to the side. He went down the hill. Luckily he was okay. The bike was fine once we got it back up. And of course, like, no one's around now. That's pipeline that way, 668. And not taking this up pipeline. Probably could. No, that real steep section. You know, even with the 150 kit, I don't think it would like it. I don't think that would be a good choice. But anyways, yeah, we got the bike back up and obviously survived to tell the story. But oh my god, first time. Before that, you know, we had just done ATV trails and dirt roads, and Yeah, suspension on this is actually quite good. Obviously, I'm climbing an elevation this whole time. I think the top is like 10 something, 10.8. I'll have to take a look in a little bit to see where we're at. Temperature's holding at 194. Not bad, considering it's non-stop up.